Hi, I'm Kazim Banchu. I'm the Director of Engineering for the NetWall product line. Today we'll be showcasing Pi database replication. We'll be moving PLC data from your OT environment through our NetWall data diodes into your IT environment. Here we have an induction server in our OT environment that's supposed to mimic kind of a water plant. As you can see, there's two big water tanks, and there's a pressure valve and a temperature valve, and they're just changing kind of randomly. Here's the architecture we'll be going over today. On the left side is your OT network and an Aviva Pi collective that will be pushing data through using our Aviva Pi Connector Service through our data diode from the source to the destination IT network. On the IT network, we have the Aviva Pi Connector Service as well, pushing the data into an Aviva Pi collective. Now we're going to go into the blue side, the OT network NetWall diode, and show you what a configuration looks like and see how easy it is. First, we're going to choose the IP address that we're connecting to. Then we need the database name of the Pi server, the point sources, and lastly, the login type. Aviva Pi specifically says not to use the trust login as it's insecure, so we support the Pi mapping, and that's what we'll be demoing today. Here you can see the Pi database server in our OT network, and you can see 4 points mimicking what you saw earlier for tanks and pressure, and you can see just an incrementing number showing you that values are changing. Next, we're going to configure the destination NetWall, and it's the same configuration as you saw before. There's an IP address, a database name, and point sources. It's just that easy to configure. So now we'll be looking at some live data going through the device. We're back on the OT network side, and you can see our 4 point sources and the values changing. And here on the screen, you can see statistics, and we'll be showcasing you the snapshot values total, indicating that we are pushing data from our OT network into our IT network via the diode. In this screen, you'll see the destination diode. This is in your IT network, and you can see the snapshot values changing there as well, showcasing you that we are pushing the data through. And here is the destination Pi server, showing the exact same points and the exact same values. In this screen, we'll be showcasing you what it looks like and the delay between the devices. And as you can see, on the left side is the OT Pi server. On the right side is the IT Pi server, and it's almost instantaneous. It's less than a second of data changes. This screen is showcasing both the OT and the IT Pi server, and you can see the values changing real-time, sub-second. As you can see, it's that simple to set up. For more information, please go to OPSWAT.com and contact a solutions engineer.